Sorry.
Hey guys, it's Helen. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing an extreme room transformation. I actually moved in all the way back in like mid-August, so it's been like 4 months of filming this video and putting my room together. I hope you enjoyed the video. I do plan on doing a separate video of doing a desk transformation. So let's just get into the video and I hope you enjoy. So this is my room before the paint. This like baby blue color, and I plan to paint it just white. Obviously take this out. The last owners were nice enough to leave that there, but it's not gonna match with the aesthetic of my room. So I'm gonna give you one last look of the before. It's currently 8:50. I started this at like 4. First wall is done, second wall, not. This wall's done. So we have this wall and then this whole wall. The person who last had this house, I feel like just freshly painted this blue. So I kind of feel bad, but also like, I don't want my room that color. So we're gonna come back tomorrow because we ran out of paint and it's just dark outside. So we're gonna paint tomorrow and hopefully it'll be done. Okay guys, so it's actually August 23rd. It's finally time to buy all of my furniture and my room is looking pretty rough. I've opted out to just buying everything online, and a lot of the stuff that I'm getting from is Amazon and Aliexpress. Amazon comes quick, and Aliexpress, everything is cheaper on there, and they just have cute things for like cute clutter and that sort of thing. My pockets are going to be crying after these purchases, but it's okay because it'll be worth it. Because once you're in an environment that is good and makes you feel good, everything is just 10 times better, and you just feel more alive and you feel more productive and you feel more motivated just to and not be in your bed 24/7, which has been me. So my first purchase of the day is my IKEA one, my mirror, and my bookcase. Okay, so here is my Amazon list that I have for my room. The first thing I have is this clothing rack right here. This little console table, which I'm gonna put my PS4 and my Switch and my TV above. So I want it to be super skinny and like narrow so I can walk by, because my bed is gonna be on the other side of it. That's my plan for that. So there's that. I have some fake tulips because Pinterest inspiration I have for my room. So there's that. I have these twisted candles. I don't know if I'm gonna get it, but they're really cute and it's pink. And I have these like 2 little glass candle holders, which I thought they were cute. Obviously I have to get this iconic heart mirror. I don't know if I'm gonna get this color or the purple one, just because purple is my color. I like pink. Pink is cool too, but the purple one's also cute. Okay, so here's my Aliexpress list. There's a lot of just like random things that I added that I just thought were cute, but they're not gonna obviously make the cut. So one of the like main things I'm getting from Aliexpress are these like large like mushroom table lamps that like I'm assuming that the original one's from Urban Outfitters or whatever brand is partnering with Urban Outfitters, but like that one's like 100, like 200 something. So these ones, depending on the size, are either gonna be 30 or 70. Yeah, so there's a lot I have to go through my Aliexpress, and you're just gonna see it in the portion where I give you a little haul of everything that comes in. I got some packages. So these are actually like the 3 first packages that came in, so 3 down, like a million to go. So So it's been like 3 weeks or like 4 since I like bought all the things that I needed to online, and I'm pretty sure they all came in. Dang. Look at her in her glory. It's that part mirror, venti handle. Okay, so this is the bed. It's all done. It's a floating bed. So I might put LEDs under the bed to add a little oomph to the bed, but it's like so much lower, and I'm just like I'm loving living in this bed. I'm gonna change the sheets, so I probably should order those really soon. Yeah, I actually really like this like paisley pattern. It's kind of grandma-y, but I really like it for some reason. So, but I'm gonna get a white comforter just for the top, and then for my pillowcases, I might do like a pop color. This is actually way bigger than I thought, man. I'm actually really happy. That means I can put a lot of stuff on here. I'm gonna build my clothing rack. I've got all my pieces right here, a bunch on my bed. Got my dandy tools slash friends that are gonna be helping me out. The instructions are literally, it's just a sheet of paper. It literally shouldn't be that hard. I'm actually going to put it right here when it's done, and then move this mirror on this wall. And I'm just gonna time lapse it. Enjoy. Okay, so I just finished building this clothing rack. I don't know if I like this setup. I actually might switch it, because I don't think you're gonna be able to see me. But I'm happy we got this done. One step closer to my room being finished. After like 2 months of preparing and actually doing really nothing. Yeah. Okay, so after many months of decorating, putting things together, building furniture, going to IKEA endless amount of times, here's my final room. Here she is. Okay, I'm gonna start with this side of my room, which is my favorite side of my room. I'm gonna start off with this, my side table, which is from IKEA. The lamp is from Aliexpress. The tulips are from Amazon. The flowers, the 3 front flowers, are from IKEA. I thrifted this butterfly iridescent type of vase. The pink candle is from Ross. The bubble candle is from Aliexpress. The heart dish I thrifted. My crystals are from different crystal shops, and my self-care journal is from Target. Then I just have my remote and my bag for when I just want to go. My bed, my floating bed is from Walmart. My bed sheets, just a white comforter. My silk pillows, just for like curly hair things, is from Ross. Then we have my photo wall, which everything is in Pinterest. I'll link it down below. I have a board for it. This heart little wreath is from Target. This love sign, I've had it for a while. I just have it to add some vibrance to my room at night. And then going over here in this corner is my clothing rack section. In my room, I don't have a spot for an actual wardrobe besides my closet, so I decided to go for a clothing rack just because it adds a nice bit of character to my room without just having bulky furniture. So we're gonna start up here. This macrame pot holder is from Amazon. It came in a set of 3. The plant holder is from Marshalls, and all of my plants are from IKEA. Again, pictures. The shelf is from IKEA. This little section I have right here is the Christian Dior book. Is a mock book. It actually doesn't have pages. It's from AliExpress. The plant holder is from Marshalls as well. This is from AliExpress, the squiggly Swedish-esque candle. My crates are from Amazon. Candle Amazon. Candle holder Amazon. And my Funko Pop is from Funko. In this corner, I have a little zodiac embroidered. I don't know, it's cute. It's from Marshalls. Then my clothing rack is from Amazon. It just carries like a bunch of my shoes and my like heavier pieces. Right now I just have all my fall stuff. Then I have this little side table. It's from IKEA. This plant, all of it is from IKEA. The plant holder, I have this salt lamp. And my sunlight lamp. This is my desk situation. It's not my favorite. Like I mentioned, I'm gonna do a whole desk makeover where I'm actually gonna put my desk over there, which I'll target that section next. But for this desk from IKEA, I've had it. This chair, it's literally my favorite chair. It's from Ross. It's really comfortable. Heart stand for my computer and stuff. It's from AliExpress. I just have my keyboard from AliExpress. The crates are Amazon. It came in a 4-pack with the others. I have this like knitted macrame notebook holder from TJ Maxx, and it just holds all my stuff. I thrifted this. This actually provides really pretty lights in my room when the sun is shining. I would show you now, but the sun is not out. It is currently raining in California, so study lamp from Amazon, and I have this cute little storage container, and I just have plants from IKEA. The mugs are from the thrift store. I still have the tag on this. It's unfortunate, but that's why I put my camera on there. I have this mirror. It's from Marshalls. It's the type that like lights up. Moving on to my entertainment desk area. I also have another iridescent lights type of art piece. This I also thrifted. I just have a couple of my magazines my Vanity Fair ones. Some postcards, my keys. This is my PS4 area / Switch. My siblings are using my Switch right now, so that's that. Okay, so down here, I basically just have my printer, crates full of like ink and lotion, and then I just have my laundry basket over there. And my TV, it's mounted. I'm listening to Body Party right now. And I just have LEDs under there. And lastly, for the zone of my room that's gonna be under construction soon, just because it was done at one point, but I already just don't like it. But I have this picture wall here. Shelf is from IKEA. All these prints are also gonna be on my Pinterest, and everything will be linked down below. What I have is I put the heart mirror over here, so like it makes for like cute pictures. In the back, you can just kind of see like my photo wall, so it's cute. And then in this corner, I just like hang my tote bags. I only have one. Oh, and the star of the show is my IKEA mirror. Let's stand in her. I literally, if there's anything you buy or take from this video, is get this mirror. It's literally life-changing. I had no mirrors in my room, so I was like, I needed a mirror. Even my house doesn't even have mirrors either. But I feel like this is a game changer. I just literally stand here. It's good for like when I'm picking my outfits because my clothing rack will be here. It just really makes for some good like dance sessions at night, and like with the lights. It's a vibe. It's a whole vibe. So that concludes my room tour, and I'm gonna leave all the links down below of everything that I got if I can. If I didn't link it, it's probably because I either thrifted it or it's no longer being sold. Keep an eye out for my desk transformation video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thank you.